Immerse yourself in the world of Charlotte Tilbury, a globally recognized beauty brand that's been captivating hearts worldwide. This isn't just your average cosmetics line. Charlotte Tilbury is a beacon of innovation, setting trends and redefining beauty standards across the globe. Known for its high-quality products and unparalleled customer satisfaction, the brand has carved a niche for itself in the beauty industry. With a unique approach that combines style, glamour, and practicality, Charlotte Tilbury is truly a game-changer. Now hold your breath as we unveil Charlotte Tilbury's latest treasure, the Lucky Chest of Beauty Secrets. Unbox the magic with Charlotte's Lucky Chest of Beauty Secrets, a limited edition collection that's as enchanting as a Christmas morning. The packaging, a delightful chest, holds a dozen beauty treasures, each with its unique charm and promise of transformation. Let's start with the eyeshadow palette. A world of glamour awaits with these versatile hues, perfect for creating a sultry smoky eye or a subtle day look. The lipstick and lip liner duo are a match made in heaven, ensuring a perfect pout that lasts all day. Next up is the mascara and eyeliner. These dynamic duos will make your eyes pop and sparkle, whether you're going for a dramatic cat eye or a soft, natural look. The blush and bronzer will lend your cheeks a warm, healthy glow, while the highlighter will accentuate your features, giving you a radiant, luminous look. Don't forget the powder, a beauty staple that guarantees a flawless finish. The primer ensures your makeup stays put, while the setting spray seals the look, letting you enjoy your beauty all day long. Last but not least, the makeup brush, the artist's tool, helps you blend and apply these products seamlessly. Each product in this set is designed to enhance your beauty, empower you, and make you feel like the best version of yourself. A treasure like this doesn't stay buried for long. This is your golden opportunity to seize the essence of beauty encapsulated in Charlotte Tilbury's Lucky Chest of Beauty Secrets. This limited edition Christmas collection is a constellation of 12 stellar beauty items, each one a star in its own right. Let me remind you, each of these gems is handpicked by Charlotte herself, making it a truly extraordinary collection. Now consider this, buying each of these items separately could cost a pretty penny. But with this set, you're not only getting the best of Charlotte Tilbury's range, you're also getting an incredible value for your money. Remember, this collection is not a permanent fixture. It's a shooting star, fleeting, and if you blink, you might miss it. The clock is ticking and this treasure chest is waiting to be discovered. Make Charlotte's Lucky Chest of Beauty Secrets yours today.